Hi guys, estamos en día 4. Entonces, let's take a look at what we're doing today. So we're looking at talking about likes and dislikes using gustar. This is still a continuation of yesterday's lesson, día 3. So let's take a look at what we're doing. So let's start with our entrada. On this one, you need to choose gusta or gustan and go ahead and put those into each sentence. Remember, gusta is going to be used for anything that comes after that is singular. Okay, gustan is going to be used if what comes after the noun is plural. Okay, so take a look at that. It's a review from the last lesson. We're also going to talk about coffee. Because you're in my first period, you know coffee is an important part of my day. So let's take a look at this guy up here. We've got a couple of options in here. A lot of these are cognates. So we have solo, like one shot. That'd be like a shot of like espresso, especially in Europe. A largo is like a tall coffee. That would be more like a drip coffee, like you normally would have at home in a coffee pot. Cortado is going to have that shot with some milk in it. Okay, the shot of coffee, the espresso shot usually. Café con leche is the coffee pots, drip coffee with milk in it, con leche. Con hielos. Hielos are ice. Okay. Bombón is with crema de leche. So bombón is usually like a candy, like bonbons. But in this case, it's referring to the fact that it's really sweet. Okay, so super sweet because that's condensed milk that they have in it. And then you have your cappuccino, which has your milk, your coffee, and it has cacao on top, which is chocolate. It's usually a dusting, or sometimes they'll use actual chocolate sauce. Just depends. So there's that. But as you all know, I don't drink really any of that. So let's talk about what we do drink in town. So that means you can go ahead and type in your response first. But then I do want you to come up here to your at-home tutor, your simple audio recorder, and go ahead and record your answer and dump it on here so I can grade it, okay? So, ¿cómo te gusta el café? So we want to start with me gusta. If I can type correctly. Me gusta el café. Let's do a macchiato today. A café macchiato de Starbucks, because that is important. It matters. Not all macchiatos are created equal. Okay. However, my preferred iced macchiato, which is really good, it's called a Golden Eagle, and that is actually at Dutch Bros. So, me gusta el café macchiato. How do we say with ice or iced? In this case, it's with ice. So, con hielos. It's not just ice, it's ices. Okay, so they make it plural. In English, ice for us is a singular noun. In Spanish, it is plural. Okay, so con hielos de Dutch Bro. Okay. You are welcome to type it first, but I need to have that oral recording from you and have you dump that in here. Okay. I showed you how to do that on lesson day 3. So check that out again. I will leave feedback for you on there because I want to make sure that you are feeling confident in using your Spanish outside of class, because that is a major reason why you're taking Spanish class, to actually use it. So go ahead and choose your coffee of choice. If you want to just use the picture I provided, go for it. If you want to create your own like I just did, you're welcome to it. Okay, let's take a look at what we're going to work on today. We're going to look at the Telehistoria Escena 2. So go ahead and go over to your textbook. And estamos en la página 148. Okay, 148. Go ahead and push video DVD and watch that. Push pause. See you back in a minute. Okay, you got it? Let's take a look at number 10. Let's make this guy bigger. Okay. ¿Quién le gusta comer a Rodrigo en el desayuno? ¿Qué le gusta? So what does Rodrigo like to eat for breakfast? Okay. ¿A quién no le gusta los desayunos grandes? Who doesn't like big breakfasts? ¿Qué le gusta comer a Marisol? ¿Y por qué tiene hambre Marisol? So go ahead and type in the text box to the side here your responses to each of those. Make sure that you start with the person, so a, and then the person's name, their IOP. In this case, we're talking about them, so it's going to be le. If there's a negative in there, it goes before the le, okay? And then your answer information. Got it? Okay, let's look at number 11. 11 is a writing section. So, en el desayuno y el almuerzo. Escribe una descripción de qué comidas y bebidas te gustan o no y no te gustan en el desayuno y el almuerzo. Okay, so there's a couple things here. You're going to talk about foods for breakfast and for lunch and things that you like and don't like. So make sure that you're using both of them for this writing assignment. So, en el desayuno me gusta el pan. Para beber, me gusta el jugo de naranja. También, me gustan las bananas. Did you notice in the video they actually used guineo? Es importante comer fruta. So it's important to eat fruit. No me gustan los huevos. Son horribles. En el almuerzo, Okay, so there's your writing assignment. Write your assignment here in Edpuzzle. Good to go? Okay. So, una entrevista, which is a interview. Pregúntale a otro o otra estudiante qué le gusta y no le gusta en el almuerzo. Escribe las respuestas. Luego compara lo que les gusta a los dos usando un diagrama de Venn. Okay. On this one, you're just going to chat with someone else in class. You are welcome to either screencastify that if you would like, or write down that information in the slides for day 4. Okay. Then go ahead and go back to your exit task. On this guy, you need to just simply move gusta or gustan to the right places. I would also recommend that you go back to your Gramatica 1 and practice that some more if you didn't get it done already. Okay. Sorry guys for the messages. It's all the other Spanish teachers. And take a look at what we're going to be learning tomorrow. You've seen it a little bit already, but watch the video, take out some notes, and get your notes stuff that I gave you before we left to do them for the next lesson. Bye.